Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Problems of agricultural development. By problems of agricultural development, we mean those negative factors that hinder or affect the successful development of agriculture. They include inadequate land or land tenure system. By this, we mean where there is shortage of land or no land at all, we find out that it affects agricultural development. Whereby there is also not enough or no finance to carry out agricultural activities, it in turn affects the development of agriculture. Poor transportation network also affects agricultural development because there is hindered free flow of commodities moving from the producer to the manufacturer and then to the consumer. Inadequate storage and processing facilities also affects the development of agriculture because whereby there are not enough storage facilities or adequate storage facilities, produced goods or produced crops are in turn destroyed. Inadequate farm inputs, inadequate basic amenities, poor marketing system also affect the development of agriculture because whereby you don't have those necessities for agriculture, it in turn affects the development of agriculture. Poor marketing system affects the development of agriculture because whereby crops are produced but they do not reach the consumers, they turn out to be wasted or a loss. Inadequate agricultural education and extension also affect the development of agriculture. This is because education is very important. Education helps to enlighten you on a particular subject or on a particular aspect. Whereby you don't have those necessary knowledge of agriculture, it will hinder or affect the development of agriculture and how you go about your agricultural activities. We also have the problem of pests and diseases, whereby pests eat up the crops you've planted or diseases affect or attack crops you've planted. You find out that you do not harvest quality products. This in turn hinders the successful development of agriculture. We also have the problem of unpredictable climate, inadequate tools and machinery to carry out your agricultural activities. Inconsistent government policy on agriculture also affects agriculture because whereby a government has already established a policy which you are acting on and a new government in turn changes that policy, you find out that it delays your agricultural activities, which in turn hinders agricultural development.